Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to secure your Facebook with new password. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more tips. First of all, going to Facebook, then click account icon, then click on settings and privacy. Click settings. Click left side accounts center, then click password and security, then sense password, choose your profile, then type current password, click new password, then retype your password, log other device, click, then change password. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for full video for more tips. Thank you. Subscribe us.